Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our air inlet tube. This is going to be located right on the driver's side rear of your engine compartment, right back here. Overall, this is going to be fairly simple to do. We're going to come right here to start, and we'll pop this clip out of here so we can release this hose. Go ahead and set that aside someplace that you'll remember it. Now we can come over here. There's a clamp that we're going to squeeze, and we'll pop this out of this hose. Okay, we've got that off of there. I'm just going to leave the clamp right here. And now we can move along to our two clamps. You're going to have one over on this side and one right there. Just pop this right off of there. Pop it off of this end. And remove it from the vehicle. Now it's time to get ready to install our brand new air inlet tube. Let's get it into position. I'm just going to slide this end up and over the top of this area, and then I'm going to try putting the hose onto the throttle body first. Just flex it into position, slide it over that throttle body, and then bring it down and into position. Now let's start doing this upper piece right here. Clamp's starting to slide off, that's okay. We'll just slide it back on there. Flex this apart, and bring it down and into position. Let's get this one into position here. We'll get it right onto that air box. It'll be a little bit difficult to get the lower aspect on there. There we are. Now once you have it on, just go ahead and make sure that both of your clamps are in the proper positioning. Okay, so now that we have both ends on here, we're going to continue on to this one right there. You want to ensure that this is in a nice straight line, so this lines up perfect before you go ahead and tighten up either of your clamps. Now we'll come right here, we'll get this lined up and try to slide it in. Once you have the hose bottomed out, go ahead and put that clamp in the original position that you removed it from. Now let's tighten up our clamps. Alright, so we have the air inlet tube in there, but there's something that I wanted to mention. You just want to double check to make sure that you tighten all of these clamps. If there's an area that dirty or unmetered air can make its way into the engine, you might find that you have a running condition and even a check engine light. After you're sure everything's nice and tight, go ahead and start it up and take it for a road test. Make sure you don't have any check engine light.